Welcome back to American Blacksmith. This is part 2 of our window door grill forging demonstration videos, and then we're going to show you what we've done with the forges here. In our previous video we had demonstrated how we restored this forge. I've had this forge for over 35 years, and the first phase was removing the old debris. The second phase was relining it with refractory, and then this is phase 3 where we're doing the back sides and the corners with refractory. And in the back I tried to curve it as much as I could so that it causes a circular effect with the fire. Some of the new forges, they come out, they intentionally put a valley in the forge so they can create a circulation opposed to having just a square box. Alright, we wanted to show you how we set up one of our standard forges. This is a 2-burner that comes with the base and of course the burner, but you have to make your stand yourself. So we took this and used 1.5-inch pipe here to set the forge down in. This thing completely comes apart. And so I put some weights on here because this tends to be back heavy and I don't want it falling off. But I can take this top and raise it and use fire brick and quickly modify this forge the way I want. So with this stand here, we took and flattened out some 1.5-inch pipe. And then this is a 2-inch pipe here, and then this is adjusts up and down, and we have our shelf here, and then these additional helper stands on front and back if we want to lay material in, getting ready to feed material in the forge. And this is important here because then we can use this instead of a stand that can get kicked around and that sort of thing. So this forge is set up different than the one that we've been using in the demonstrations. This has 3 doors, 2 on each end so we can get a longer heat, like so. And then this long door here. And these doors are not made of steel. They are made out of a material called Monel, which is mostly nickel, and they will not deteriorate, so they'll last forever. Otherwise, we'd be changing these periodically. All right, on this grill here, we left the material smooth, but in general, I like to texture all the material I do the punching and the assembly work. And you can do some of this cold. You don't have to do everything hot. Come in here like this. I like to use either rounded, what might be called a Farrier's hammer, nice dome here, and match it up with curvature on your anvil. But you can use a dome hammer also. We'll go with this standard, and it gets a bit loud. edges. This will help. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm going to take this piece and use a domed hammer. Piece that we textured cold using a rounded hammer. You can just see a slight texture. To me, it looks better than smooth round stock or forging everything else otherwise. Right, part one, we were showing how to slit and to punch these holes. Now I'm going to punch out the hole to size. Next, we're going to show how to make this offset, where we can lay the vertical bar into the horizontal using this tool here. Make this fishtail scroll mounting bracket. So I'll mark out the length that I want to start with. I come over to my little anvil devil. Get my mark. So how's the journey? So I got to make sure I do it in this direction. part 3 of our window and door grill forging demonstration. We're going to do some heavier grills, big window grills, and so we're going to try to get some video footage of the Santa Fe Convention Center, and we had a few different sizes of this type of forged grill. So we'll clean up these samples and we'll show you how we put it together next time on American Blacksmith.